Hi guys, this is Mrs. Morgan. I want to show you today how to get onto Clever and also how to get onto Freckle through Clever and also help you navigate Freckle a bit. So first of all, go onto the internet. I use Google and type in the address bar clever.com. I actually bookmark it so that it's up here at the top for one of my, quick to get to things, but, and go to log in as a student. Sorry, I might have clicked that too fast. Okay, then you're going to go and log in with Active Directory, and here you're going to put your first name dot last name at students.copk12.org. I'm going to use Matthew. Hope you don't mind, Matthew, at students.copk12.org. So first name dot last name at students.copk12.org. And some of you have like hyphens in your name or double last names. So if you are unsure as to how to log into this, just let me know. Text me, email me, and I can get you in. Then your password is going to be your student ID number. And just sign in. And there you will be on your Clever account. So on here in the district apps is the McGraw-Hill. That's our math book, Studies Weekly. That's our social studies newspaper. And then we have Brain Pop Junior, and there's a bunch of apps down here that we don't use in our class. But this little piggy one we're going to use now, and this is the Freckle by Renaissance. So click onto that, and this will get you into your Clever account. So you're always going to pick my name here. And you can just go into our home room. Okay, so now here is Matthew's dashboard, and he has done very well. He did some assignments today that he's supposed to do, and you can earn coins, and he earned the most coins today. So yay you, Matthew. All right, Leo, Julio, Eduarda, and Jordan, good job for you too. So you want to, compete with each other to see how many coins you can earn. All right, so the most important thing down here though is this toolbar down here, and this is going to show you what assignments you need to do. So this is in your little book bag or backpack. You click on here and it shows what you need to do. So it shows these are actually tomorrow's, so he has to do tomorrow, and one math assignment. And so to do either of these, all you have to do is click on it. Now this is the one that is just the review, and all you have to do is type in the number and enter, and it'll go to the next one. And each one you do will earn you a coin, okay? So I'm going to exit out of that because it won't save his progress. Matthew doesn't need any help earning these coins. But that's how you do that one. That does not take long at all. That's just a quick little mad minute for you. And then these are going to, these are his ELA assignments that he needs to do. Okay? So that's how, but this is the most important thing, is to look at your assignments right here. All right, so let me know if you have any questions. I will have up our new blog post every day, and please keep up with everything. I'm going to start emailing to find out what's going on, or if you need help if you haven't gotten on yet. All right, and have you taken your test yet on Number of the Stars? I hope so. All right, talk to you later. Bye.